Welcome back to Refined. I'm Gaard Swanson. I was digging through my kitchen cabinets the other day and found a pot I didn't even know I had. Apparently, I'm not alone when it comes to that kind of problem. But thanks to our sponsor, ShelfGenie, they can make sure you never lose a pot or a pan again. When it comes to the drawers and cabinets in your home, ShelfGenie is all about solutions. For Kathy Federoff, she loves her kitchen, but that wasn't always the case. You could say her cabinets were a catastrophe before ShelfGenie showed up.
I was crazy searching underneath here for pans, and I couldn't see way back there at all for what I needed. It was too chaotic for me.
First off, I was a little distracted by how gorgeous her home was already, and I could tell that she was very organized, but she was operating in chaos, and so it's very frustrating if you don't know what you have, but you know that you want to do certain things. And so the biggest goal for me was to give her access to what she needed, give her tools to be better organized, so that way when she uses her kitchen space, she could pay more attention to the relationships that she's hosting instead of looking for what she needs.
No doubt Kathy needed help. Her shelves were dysfunctional, especially her pantry.
And for her double pantry, she had such deep space, but you couldn't keep like items with like items, so it was really hard to keep it organized. And so you would have things that were stuck in the back and you wouldn't know about. Could have been, I don't know, months old, a few years old, who knows? I know you were wanting some more organization.
After sizing up the problems, it was time for solutions.
Our glide outs are...
Both sat down in front of the computer, where ShelfGenie had 3D images of exactly the plan moving forward.
I like this for the cat food. That's my favorite. It's easy. Everyday ordeal. And she went through the process of what do you use the most? What's most important to you? Because there are things that I do go to first every single day, such as my cat food. I have a specific drawer for my cats and the food, because that's an everyday morning and night, situation that I have to feed the cats. And then after that, we decided where the actual cookie sheets would go, and just talked about the whole idea of how you want your pantry to work.
Once the plan was agreed upon, ShelfGenie got busy building and installing the new pullouts. Today, you could say Kathy's cabinets are the cat's meow.
Hey Gaard, let me show you these cabinets.
What do you have?
They're fantastic. I had half of a cupboard here.
Yeah.
And now with ShelfGenie, I have a full extension.
Look how easy this
oh
is.
my God.
Do you remember how frustrating this was for you when you wanted to kind of bang your head?
Oh yeah, that's for sure. There's no doubt about that. So Gaard, one more thing I need to show you.
Yeah, show me.
Is this side is very important. First of all, I have the cat drawer. This is an everyday deal. Of course, I have a few things here that are messed up, but that's okay.
This is the cat cabinet.
This is a cat cabinet, exactly. But most important, too, to the family is the candy.
Oh, my God.
And the cookies.
Look at this. And then look how organized you are. This is almost
well
disgusting here. It's too organized.
I know, but you have to be able to see what you want when you're cooking, so it's a fast look, and here it goes.
It's amazing what ShelfGenie can do, right?
Oh, I'm a happy lady. Very much so. It has made my life very easy now.
Even though it sounds like, oh, we're just putting in glide outs into a kitchen space, it's giving her time back to give back to the relationships that are important for her.
I would recommend ShelfGenie mainly for the quality of the product and also for their customer service. Those two things stood out the most. You could tell from the quality, and then, just by the drawers, the mechanisms, and how they're built, and then also for the customer service. Communication was huge. They did the best.
ShelfGenie's offering a free professional design consultation and free installation for the first 15 callers right now. Call the number there on your screen, 206-929-4954, to take advantage of this special offer. There's also more information at shelfgenie.com/Seattle Refined.